Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now what's up? Guys, in this video I'm talking about the Vechain latest update. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the price changes occur in the Vechain? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Guys, now the current price of the Vechain in the market is 0.109897 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Vechain in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes on the Vechain, so now you can see here, my friend, that the latest last 1 hour changes is positive, last 1 week changes of the Vechain is negative, and last 1 week changes of the Vechain is also positive. Only the yesterday changes, the last 24 hours changes of the Vechain is negative. When you keep up the last 24 hours, the all changes of the Vechain is positive in the market. So guys, let me show you the price chart of the Vechain. Wow, that's clear, my friends. Today update is completely going positive, and today is another profitable day for all the Vechain holders. Guys, you can see here in the latest situation, I'm talking about the latest situation. Now in the latest situation, from the last 2 hours, they start pump, and still they were in the pumping mood. So guys, I'm sure about that Vechain will continue this pump for the upcoming 5. My friends, they continue this one for the last of August, but it's sometime the price fast on for some time. As you can see here, is yesterday price fast on for some passage of time. So this time of fast maybe occur in the Vechain to the last of August. So get ready. But the result is that you get profit if you hold for it the last of August. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.